Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is all about how to apply concealer to cover your dark circles. So here is the before look and here is the after look. So I have already moisturized my eye. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Primer to create a smooth base for my concealer. Make sure you hydrate your eye area really well before applying any makeup. Here I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. Now I'll just apply a little bit here and little bit over here. Now I'm taking my sponge to blend it. Make sure you blend your concealer really well, otherwise it will grease. Then I'm taking the MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder in the shade NC42. You can use any loose powder or compact you have. Then I'm taking a black eye pencil to line my waterline. As you can see, this makes a huge difference. Then I'll apply some mascara. Here I'm using the Maybelline mascara. It is one of the best drugstore mascaras. I'm also applying on my lower lash line. Now this is it. I'm all done. And thank you for watching.